Good morning, everyone, and welcome to what I prep today. I'm going to combine my Dollar Tree and Walmart run because each was small, and I want to whiz right through it. I'm always stocking up when I go into the Dollar Tree for anything. I grab a couple bags of beans. Lately, I've been grabbing lentils, so I think I grabbed 6 or 8 bags of lentils. And I also just picked up some of this super foaming oxygen cleaner for the bathroom. I like it, it works. I don't like chemicals, but the vinegar that I spray normally in there after showers just isn't working, or we're not spraying it enough. So I just need to get a jump on that and then just start cleaning it or spraying it more often. I picked up 2 more of the Fab 40 ounces. It's fine. I decided I needed to try this in the Ajax and see how they work because they're 40 ounces for only $1. So I was pleased with the way they work. I like the way the Fab smells. The Ajax smells okay also. And another thing, just to save some money on laundry detergent, I only use a shot. Actually have a metal shot glass in there, and that's all I've used for the last maybe 2 years for laundry detergent amounts. I don't care how much it says to add, I use a shot. And I learned to do that by being in a group on Facebook, of all places, that actually says you don't need any cleanser. You can just clean your clothes with water. But, well, here on the homestead, we kind of get a little bit different dirt than people who work in offices. So at Walmart, I picked up this Splenda. Every time I see the coupons for this, I grab it. Otherwise, I just used erythritol. But I do like this Splenda Naturals with the stevia in it. It's a combination of erythritol and stevia, whichever. It just tastes a little bit better than either one plain. And then so I went on Amazon and actually did a sub and save to one of those that makes it a little cheaper. And I've never had to buy this in the store without a coupon. $3.62 for 80 packs is actually cheaper than the larger package with I think 160 in it. You pay almost half price per little packet buying the smaller one, so pay attention to your sizes. This one was $3.62, $1.50 coupon made it $2.12. This one was $3.62, $2.50 coupon made it $1.12. Normally the coupon I get off of this is $4 off of 2, so that's a good coupon too, but the $2.50 was actually slightly better. Always picking up monthly supplies just to add to the stockage for the women in our family. And this is a fine brand, this Equate Options. And then I found a $4 coupon off of these Tina Intimates. And this product is only $4.97. So that was 97 cents. That was a really nice deal. The Mederma for rough skin, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, dry skin, and scars. This one, the quick dry oil was $9.42. I had a $5 coupon, which made it $4.42. And this one with the advanced scar gel was $14.78, pretty pricey. And I had a $3 coupon, made it $11.78. And I have a cesarean scar. I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this and see if that works. Okay, sharing a little much. Alrighty, when I have the extra $8 in the budget, which I did, I pick up this Silvex Wound Gel. We have one open, and now this makes 2 in our stockage. And then I picked up another one of these triple antibiotic ointments. The Dr. Sheffield's has moved at my Walmart from the bottom shelf way up to like almost eye height, which was really cool, but it's only 88 cents for 0.33 ounce. This is also the same brand you get at Dollar Tree, just a little bit cheaper, 12% cheaper. At Walmart, I picked up more Lima Beans, and remember when they did that reset at my Walmart, they actually reduced the price of the Lima Beans. So 2 pounds is like $3.36, and 1 pound is exactly half that. There's no benefit to buying a 2 pound or a 1 pound bag. So whenever I go there, I normally just split whatever I'm getting between what they have to try to leave a choice for other people. At my Dollar Tree, again, they had hand sanitizer. This time they had it in these small travel packages, which I do need. We're running low on those. We do refill them, but sometimes if you leave these in the sun or in your car and it gets too hot, they expand, and then they're just really a little inconvenient. And school's starting, so I want to make sure that it's available to the kiddos. Also, at Dollar Tree, I picked up 3 more tubes of toothpaste, and I need to stop that. I am really good with toothpaste, considering how long toothpaste lasts using the proper amount, which is a pea-sized amount. I mean, 3 tubes should last months, right? I mean, if not a year, I don't know, maybe not a year, but I have probably 24 tubes of toothpaste, if not more, and have to check that one day. And then we always get the nor rice sides. These I was cooking a lot of these when I got a really good deal. You buy 10, you get a free rotisserie chicken. So I made chicken salad and then blah. So I made all these rice and pasta blends, and then I freeze dried them. And somebody said in the comments that since they're in a foil bag, that they themselves are just ready to store. Now they don't have an oxygen absorber in there, but I decided to test that. So I'm actually going to go back and buy probably a bucket full of these and just go ahead and call that a stored bucket of the nor rice sides. But then again, in a SHTF scenario, I do like the convenience of just adding water to my food. So I may just go ahead and do that. Continue to make some and freeze dry it, but also store some in buckets. So even though we grew Lima beans this summer and they are doing very well, I want to show you. This is what I got so far, and I know that's pitiful, and I have a lot more to go get. I'm not saying that's all I'm going to get, but after taking some beans and they had 2 beans in a pod or 3 beans in a pod, I kind of realized I need to know how to grow those beans. But stocking up for me now at this point is the way to go. I believe to have dry beans for a full year, I would probably need to grow an acre of Lima beans, and I'm just not about to grow an acre of Lima beans. I mean, I don't see why not. But also another thing is this provides seeds. These Lima beans that come from the store have done really well for me growing and sprouting, and that's what I'm growing now. So this is actually, I guess, a 2nd generation store bean. So I actually think I will try growing some of these. And this is the absolute best way to get your seeds. And even my chickpeas that I purchased from the store, which I did buy more of those, I've already packed them up, those also sprouted. So that's another really good way to get your seeds. Just whenever you're cooking your Lima beans, set a handful aside to save for seeds for next year, and then that works. And then do the same thing with your chickpeas and anything else that will grow from seed that you're cooking now, so that way you don't have to buy them later. And that's about it. Nice shorter than average video today. Oh, let me show you what else I did. Sorry. Yeah, see, there we go. I picked up this moisture eliminator, only I didn't pick this one up. I picked this one up. Can you tell a difference? So this one is a lot taller, and when I first noticed those difference at Dollar Tree, we were using so many of these that I just ordered 2 cases of them online maybe a year and a half ago, and I got them in. And then when I went to the store, I saw that these were smaller. Well, I look at them, the ounces are the same, they just shrunk the package, which I'm not sure if I'm pleased about, because the way this works is this absorbs water, and it actually does absorb water all the way up to there. So now that they've made it smaller, the water reservoir is a lot smaller, so it's actually going to touch the base of the beads, the desiccant beads, before it's open. But it is what it is. This is definitely a lot cheaper alternative to damp rid, which my mom was paying like $3.50 for each one, and then this is even cheaper than purchasing the refill bags at damp rid that you can get either at the at Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's. And what I use these for is I put them around, and put them someplace, put them in the back of your closet, and you will be surprised at the moisture it absorbs when you don't even know it, unless of course your house is perfect, which mine isn't. It's an older house. So, but the other day I left my windows down and it rained. So what I did was the truck, the seats weren't soaked, but after putting the windows back up and then going back out, I could smell the moisture, and it didn't smell good inside my truck. So these we keep in storage, and I was out at the store, so I just decided to go ahead and grab 4 of these and to put one under each seat in my truck and to absorb that moisture too. And, you know, instantly I almost noticed a difference in the smell, that it was working. It absorbs. These work really well. So that's it. Once again, I rambled. That's what I prepped today. That's my Walmart / Dollar Tree run. And let me know in the comments, what did you prep today? Be blessed, everyone.